Why, hello, people. Today we are here to talk about toad farts. This is a toad, not a frog. Many people know the difference. Stupid girls don't. No offense, females. But toads and some frogs have a fart button. The fart button is usually notified on the back, armpits, other armpit, and rub areas. As you can see, my toad just farted. Well, now it's singing to me. You're not a bird. You are not a bird. Why does my toad think it is a bird? Want some scratches? Jigga jigga jigga. You little fart are you. Yeah, I'm just gonna touch all over you. I'm gonna make you fart and sound like a bird all day. I'm gently touching. Don't think I'm hitting it at all. Good boy. Can I have a shake? Shake my paw. You little farting, chirpy chirp toad. Why yes, you want to get all over that camera, don't you? Why, you stinky little farter. You little Tweety bird. Okay, good toad. Oh, I'll be sure to give you a treat now. Goodbye. I am Toad the Toad. I shall rule the world.